welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Sly once again with another interesting video. For the new subscribers, karibuni sana. For the returning subscribers, thank you for subscribing, thank you for sharing, for the comment. And for the today video is arranging my fridge. I washed my fridge before I go to church, so I came and I want to arrange it well. So we start here up by putting ice cream. I love ice cream. I have different flavors, even for mangoes, for Gina with the nuts. I hope you can see it. There are different flavors. This is chocolate ice cream. I love ice cream with this weather. Enjoy January. Some ham, smoky, and sausage. This is kamande. This is pork. These are ice cubes. And this one, ice cubes. So let's go here down. Some guaranas. So guys, I finished arranging my fridge. As you can see, don't mind the smallest of the fridge. So you can see. Oh, sikuonyesha hizi ni za kusto tomatoes and carrots. On these are my mangoes, juice, afia. Those are drinks. As you can see. So here, I'm seeing check here. First we start with this one. This one are for breakfast. I can come cutter. And it fresh donny brownie. This one is white salmon. Some muffins. And this one, zile ice cream zote zenye nimewaonyesha, these are the cones. Kabla ya kununua najimekia tu kwa hao. Sasa hizi ni snacks, Skittles, jelly, sweet. I love sweet. Baby daddy, Bolga. I like chewing. Wafer. Napenda wafer sana. Crisps. And these are my favorite chocolate fingers. They're called chocolate fingers. Even this one are wafer, different flavors. As you can see, this is what I eat. Snacks. All of this. So I need to store them here. So guys, we have come to the end of the video of today. And before nisahau, hizi unaweza pata at Naivas na ni affordable, both of them. So guys, I hope you like this video. Like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.